Come join us as we try to squeeze in one more warm, sunny day at the beach. It wasn't quite warm enough for us to go in the water, but the kids enjoy the sand just the same. And today we decided to try out this 50s themed diner. The kids really enjoyed it. The food was good and the atmosphere was relaxing. This was the front of one of our menus. They made it look like a newspaper from 1958. I didn't record much, And I also forgot to get pictures of our food, so I included some pictures from online to let you see just what the food looked like. These are accurate pictures of what we saw. I also enjoyed the old music. I knew most of the songs. The kids were kind of impressed. This car that you're about to see inside also doubles as a booth that you could eat in. It is now the next day, Sunday, and I'm about to plant some of these plants that I bought yesterday morning before we went to the beach. I didn't think it was right just to pull this one out, just to put the new ones in, so I just left it in.